Hi, just wanted to talk about a problem I have with all this logging I've got here. So I've got a ton of logging. So I've decided that I don't want to see so much logging. So if I run my app here, get the startup, I end up with, just to get to the first screen, I've got almost 800 logs, and that's not very helpful in the end. So I'm going to come in here and go to one of my classes here, binding, and I'm just going to allow you in the inspector to say whether you want to show the binding, log the binding. So say IsLogging, so that's a false. And so how am I going to do this in a way that is easy for me to change my existing code? So the way I log currently is I tend to use print. So I'm going to come in here and say private print object message, and I need to print something. Now the print currently, let me just X that out, is mono behavior, so it's a static. So I can just do mono behavior.print and pass that on. And then I can protect that. So say if IsLogging there we go. So I want it to be called print. Now the problem is we're now going to get a clash because it doesn't know whether it's using the mono behavior one or our new one. So as you see, it says can't override, or I'm hiding, basically, not sure which implementation to use. So you have to use new in here. So private new, which seems a bit odd, but that basically declares that your print statement is going to be used instead of the existing one. And I can just use this IsLogging and print. So hopefully now, when I come back in here and run this, because I've defaulted to not logging the binding. So 761. Let's run this up. Considerably less. And then if I just pick on one of my bindings, so let's go in here, go to manager, text title binding, come in here, let's find the binding, IsLogging, so 294, so hopefully go up by at least one. $315. So there we go, a way of sort of conveniently turning logging on per component. Thanks.